After the success of our Ford XT giveaway, we thought we'd give the Holden tribe the chance to win one of Australia's most iconic cars, the HSV Clubby. This one being a 94 VR ClubSport. Double entries are now live, but only for a few weeks. With Holden closing its doors recently, this genuine 1994 HSV VR ClubSport is only on the rise. Valued currently at $40,000, we're giving you the opportunity to win it for 30 bucks. This car is a real performer. From every angle, this immaculate Alaskan White example stands out from the crowd. Built to create an awesome driving experience, its performance comes from the famous Aussie Iron Lion, the 5-litre 304 V8. If you haven't noticed, this one's got a little extra sauce. Built with 10:1 compression, flat top pistons, an Edelbrock air gap manifold, Sniper Holley EFI system, and a Pacemaker exhaust, running through a built auto with a 3.5 stall converter, shift kit running through a 3.7 LSD Diff. It's the package. The exterior of this clubby screams all things Tuff streeter. From its already tough factory HSV body kit, its lines are complemented with a 3-inch reverse cowl. For the wheels, we've got the 20-inch version of the tri-spoke factory wheels. We have GTS upgraded brakes all round, and as we head to the back of the car, she's sacked just how I like it. With an idle lumpy enough to set off car alarms, there's really no need to say any more. The trim is factory HSV, but the next best thing to a clubby is a GTS. Yep, you guessed it, GTS seats. With some custom touches like the Pro Comp gauges, the Alpine stereo, and the Holley Sniper EFI, finish off the trim nicely to give you that ultimate Tuff streeter experience. Whether you're a Holden fan or not, this car is definitely a crowd pleaser. If you'd like your chance to win it, jump on tuffstreeters.com.au and get yourself an entry. Remember, double entries are limited, so jump on quick.